We're tackling hybrid project management for your PMP exam. A hybrid approach is not a specific, named framework. Rather, it is the deliberate combination of predictive and adaptive methodologies within a single project. The key is tailoring your approach by selecting the right practices for different parts of your project. Think of a project to develop and launch a new medical device. The physical manufacturing and regulatory approval processes are highly constrained, with little room for change, making them perfect for a predictive waterfall approach. However, the software that runs on the device needs to be user-friendly and can benefit from rapid prototyping and user feedback. This software component would be managed using an adaptive or agile method. On the PMP exam, you will see scenario questions describing a project with a mix of certainty and uncertainty. For example, a project might have a fixed, non-negotiable budget and compliance deadline, but the end-user software features are still being defined. The question will ask for the most appropriate project management approach. The answer is almost always hybrid. Another common exam scenario involves a project where the hardware development follows a predictive path, while the software development team uses an agile approach. The challenge and what the exam will test is your ability to manage the integration and dependencies between these two tracks. A frequent exam trap is to present a project that seems purely agile or purely predictive, but a key detail will point to the need for a hybrid model. For instance, a team might be using Scrum for development, but the organization's governance structure requires rigid phase-gate approvals. This is a classic hybrid situation. Don't get fixated on labels. Focus on the characteristics of the work being done. Remember this mnemonic to keep it straight. Govern with a map, build with a compass. Your predictive elements, like the overall budget, major milestones, and governance, are the map. They provide the fixed, long-range plan. Your adaptive elements, like software development sprints, are the compass. They allow the team to navigate the immediate, uncertain work by adjusting course based on real-time feedback. Ultimately, hybrid project management is the most practical application of the PMP concept of tailoring. You are consciously choosing and blending processes, tools, and techniques to fit the unique context of your project, ensuring that stable components get the structure they need, while evolving components get the flexibility they require. For free practice questions, AI-powered explanations, and more exam prep tools, visit openexamprep.com. That's openexamprep, all one word, .com.